Well, I've been doing some boat maintenance and some Waverunner maintenance today, and thought I'd make a video on my Yamaha Waverunner and show you some of the items I was doing maintenance on today. And I guess you would call these trailer, right? Yeah, you'd definitely call these trailer items, but everything on the Jetski and the trailer need just about everything needs maintenance. So when I say just about, like this trailer, this aluminum trailer has done me well, okay, as far as maintenance. It's the absence or the not needing maintenance. This has done me well. But let me get on with the video here. This thing, mine just had to be replaced. So I replaced it. This is the jack, okay, and it's relatively new. And then there's this item here, the winch. My winch is in fairly good shape, except for a couple of items on it. This safety right here was missing about a week ago, and I was wanting to take it out on the water, and I thought, well, I can't believe I let that go. I'm going to have to replace that immediately. And so, but I want to go out on the water, so I'll just go out on the water today. It'll probably be okay because this is going to be pulled tight, but guess what? As soon as you hit the water, if you don't have a safety latch on this thing, what happens is when the jet ski floats, it comes loose, okay? So then you have a runaway jet ski, okay? You don't want that. So I put a new strap, bought the strap, the hook comes with it. This particular one's 2 inches wide. Most of them are 2 inches wide on the jet skis. And what I noticed today was this handle is it's not broken. Okay, in a lot of people's book, if it's not broken, don't fix it. But guess what? It's going to break. It's going to break real soon, and it's going to break when I'm cranking the Waverunner up when I'm bringing the ski up the runners. Okay, I'm in the water. I'm cranking it up, putting it on the trailer, and that's when this is going to break off, and that's going to create a problem. It's not an insolvable problem, but it's going to create a problem. Okay, now there we have chains. Those are rusty, okay? They're relatively strong. I mean, they're not rusted through and through. They're still usable, but I'm going to replace them because that's just a safety issue. If the thing came off were to come off the trailer and put stress on those chains, if they were rusted up pretty good, they would break, and they would probably both break at the same time. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to replace those too. So these are just some things. I mean, it's almost everything in life needs maintenance, and but these are just some items that's come to my attention lately. I thought I'd make a video might help somebody out there that's getting into the jet ski business, or getting ready to purchase one, or has an old one like me. Mine's 20 years old, and it's required lots of maintenance over the years. Anyways, hope you have a good day, and we will talk to you in the future.